What is inside Amazon forest? The Amazon forest is located in South America, covering over 6.7 million square kilometers across 9 countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Venezuela. The vast majority of the forest is located in Brazil, where it covers nearly 60% of the country's land area. The Amazon forest is a tropical rainforest, which means it receives high amounts of rainfall and has a warm and humid climate throughout the year. The forest is home to an incredibly diverse range of flora and fauna, including more than 16,000 tree species, 2.5 million insect species, and over 2,000 bird and mammal species. One of the most important functions of the Amazon forest is its role in regulating the Earth's climate. The forest is sometimes called the lungs of the Earth because it absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releases oxygen through photosynthesis. The Amazon forest is estimated to absorb around 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide per year, which helps to mitigate the effects of climate change. However, the Amazon forest is under threat from deforestation and other human activities. In recent decades, large areas of the forest have been cleared for agriculture, mining, and other forms of development. This has led to a loss of biodiversity, soil degradation, and an increase in greenhouse gas emissions. Despite these challenges, the Amazon forest remains a vital ecosystem with many benefits for both humans and the environment. Here are some of the key features and benefits of the Amazon forest. Biodiversity. The Amazon forest is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, with an estimated 10% of the world's known species. The forest is home to a wide range of plants and animals, including harpy eagle, pink river dolphin, giant otter, jaguar, tapir, sloth, anacondas, and many of these species are found nowhere else on the planet. Indigenous cultures. The Amazon forest is home to numerous indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with the forest for generations. These communities possess a wealth of knowledge about the medicinal and cultural value of the forest's plants and animals and play an important role in the conservation of the forest. Economic benefits. The Amazon forest is a vital source of natural resources, providing timber, minerals, and other materials that are essential for the global economy. The forest is also an important source of food, with many communities relying on fishing and hunting to sustain themselves. Climate regulation. The Amazon forest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. The forest absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releases oxygen through photosynthesis. It also helps to regulate local and regional weather patterns, which can have important impacts on agriculture and other industries. Ecotourism. The Amazon forest is a popular destination for ecotourists, who can explore its diverse ecosystems and learn about its unique flora and fauna. Ecotourism can provide an important source of income for local communities and help to promote conservation efforts. Challenges facing the Amazon forest include deforestation, climate change, and unsustainable development practices. Deforestation is a particularly pressing issue, as large areas of the forest continue to be cleared for agriculture, mining, and other forms of development. This has led to a loss of biodiversity, soil degradation, and an increase in greenhouse gas emissions. To address these challenges, conservation efforts are underway in the Amazon forest. These efforts include protected areas, sustainable development practices, and programs to support indigenous communities. It is important to continue these efforts to ensure the long-term sustainability of the Amazon forest and its many benefits for both humans and the environment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to channel Curious Mind for more videos.